it's Kumcha Friends like here. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I hope you're good, hope you're great, hope you are doing so well. If you're not so well, if you're not good, if you're not great, I hope this video makes you happy, makes you great. So today I'm gonna do a TikTok hack or a DIY or something. So I saw this video on TikTok and then I would have played it, but the person is speaking Sepedi and my subscribers might know Sepedi, but at the same time other people may not know Sepedi. So basically I'm just gonna say it and then I'm gonna give credit to the person, and then if you know Sepedi and you wanna go watch the video for yourself, I'm just gonna play it, but I'm not gonna like let it speak. So yeah, the person used foam bath, sugar and baby oil to do the scrub. It's a body scrub, it's a body scrub, hand scrub, body foot scrub, but then at the same time I won't be using it as a foot scrub because I have Avon products for my feet. Yes, so yeah, I hope I'm not blabbering, and then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna play the video, and then after I'm gonna show you the products I bought and so let's watch the video now. Yeah, so you watched the video, you understood. If you didn't understand, then I'm gonna explain in a while. So before I get started with the TikTok hacks or the DIY, as I said, I'm gonna start with showing you the products. So first I'm using this foam bath. It's from Usafe. I got it for 40 rands. It's a 2-liter foam bath, but then the scent is not that. It's a 2-liter scent, and then foam bath. It's a lavender fills. The scent is not that great, but whatever. What can I say? It's 40 rands for 2-liter. I usually don't buy my foam bath for 40 rands. So yeah, a 40 rand scrub, excuse me, 40 rands foam bath, 2-liter. Guys, what a save. So yeah, what a save. What a save. You save, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. So yeah, I'm gonna use this foam bath, and then I'm gonna use this sugar. I don't know, man. It's sugar, 500 gram. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this whole sugar or what. So yeah, it is. Yeah, and I'm gonna use baby oil. Baby oil is for moisturizing. She said baby oil is for moisturizing, so we're gonna add the baby oil. I don't know if you can see it. Baby oil, I don't know. Yeah, it says baby oil. If you can see it, sorry. So Yeah, and then guys, deliver us from temptations and desires. So I've been into dishes, right? Lately I've been into dishes, and baking. I'm interested in baking these days. So I got this measuring cups and spoons. So it's from, yeah, as you can see, I haven't opened it up yet. So yeah, it's, I don't know, man. It was 25 rands. The next day I went and it was 20 rands. I felt like I could die, because how can they betray me like that? From 25 rands to 20 rands in a space of 2 days. Guys, I'm hurt. But then anyway, I don't know, man. I don't know. It says 11 pieces. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's 11 pieces. Spoons are 6 and then cups are 5. So I'm not sure yet if I want to open them. Yes. So I'm gonna use this for baking, and maybe like sometimes it won't necessarily be for baking. So yeah, my sister was just saying, because I played with my mother's spoons, measuring spoons, when I was young. I thought they were toys, you know, they were cute, and they were not this type though. My mother's ones were square-ish and blue, so they were cute, and then I thought maybe they're toys, and then I played with them, and then now I'm grown, I know what they were for, and then I bought them. My sister was just saying, maybe it's good that is making you buy them. So whatever. They're cute. 20 rands, measuring cups. We're gonna bake, we're gonna eat, you know, we're gonna eat cake, more cakes, and we're gonna eat biscuits, and many more, you know. We can't just limit ourselves. So I don't know if I'm gonna use them today. I don't think I'm gonna use them today. So yeah, I got this EduSave, and then for my container I'm gonna use this bucket. This bucket is huge. I think it's, if it's not 3 liter, then it's 2 liter. Yeah, 3 or 2 liter. I think it's 2 though. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use this bucket, and then let's get into making the scrub. Bye.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
David watoa.
Eish. Wayehla uDavid.
Wasa David.
Wayehla uDavid.
Wayehla David.
Eish.
Hey.
Hey.
Waniwa.
Yeah. Okay. It was a mess. It was a mess. Here we have it. Here it is. It's too runny for my liking. It is too runny for my liking. But then I think we need more sugar. I put a lot of foam bath. I don't know. Yeah, I put a lot of foam bath. So I need to buy sugar and then make it thick, you know. Yes, it does scrub, but then it does the scrubbing thing there, but at the same time I don't want it to be too runny. I think it's dissolving, or like it's a mess. Oh my god, it is dissolving. It is. It is dissolving and I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Not even once. Oh my god. What else can go wrong at this point? It is dissolving. Oh my god. I feel like killing myself or something. Can the world just swallow me or something? Because I don't like this. It's a fail. A big fail. I do like the scrubbing though. I do. But at the same time, I didn't follow the instructions. I guess it's another. I should give it a try. Maybe I should try and correct it or something. So yeah, I'll buy sugar and then add it to this, and then try to like see if it works out. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, then it's a fail. But then I love the scrubbing part. Oh my god, I'm a mess. It does scrub though. It does. You see the sugar here? It does. And then the oil does moisturize your skin. So, oh my god, I hate myself. Let me just pause it here, and then when I buy sugar, I will correct it and see if it works out. If it does, then okay, great. If it doesn't, then well, I guess we'll have to try another trick. So instead 500 grams, let's make it 600, because I had to use my family sugar because mine already was way less. So yeah, see you another time. It's a mess. Oh my god, I'm bored. This thing bored me to the depth of my heart. Okay, bye guys.